What's up everybody? Chef Glenn B and I'm back in the kitchen, and today I'm working on a roasted chicken. There are tons of recipes out there for roasted chicken. There are roasted chicken recipes with marinades and brines and all different types of sauces, but what I want to do today is to highlight the greatness and the simplicity of a roasted chicken. Not a lot, no brines, no sauces, no marinades, simple seasoning, simple techniques, and I think it makes an excellent roasted chicken. Let's get right to it. All right, so I've got a nice organic, roughly 3-pound chicken. I've already washed it, cleaned it up. I need to dry it out. I want this chicken to be as dry as I can possibly get it. Moisture inside this chicken is gonna create steam, and that's not gonna help me to create a crispy exterior. So I wanna get this thing as dry as I possibly can. I've got a bowl here that's gonna help me to stand this chicken up and to get it dry, and also it's gonna help me when I go to season it. I like to stand it up so that I can get inside the cavity really well. All right, so I've got my chicken dried out, and as I mentioned, I'm gonna use this bowl to help me season it, and I'm gonna stand it up. And I got these tongs that automatically jump back. This is gonna help me to hold the chicken open as I go to season it. Some fresh cracked black pepper. Got some kosher salt. Smoked paprika. All right, so I'm ready to truss my bird. I've got some butcher's twine here, and I'm gonna cut my twine. I want this twine to be about 5 times the length of this chicken. So I'm just gonna unroll it. That's 3, that's 4, that's 5. Let's do a little bit extra. All right, so I'm gonna place the twine right under the middle of the bird, and I'm gonna bring the twine right around the front of the bird because I want this skin, as the bird cooks, I don't want the skin to shrink and draw up and expose the breast. So this is gonna help hold the skin to the breast. And I'm gonna come back around and right around my wings. So cross it up. I'm gonna go underneath this little flap, come around and grab the legs, loop the twine around the legs. This is a lot easier than I'm making it look. And I'm just gonna tie this together right here at the top. A couple of knots. Get rid of my excess twine. And I've got trussed up bird. All right, so I've got my bird tied up. I'm gonna place it in this saute pan here, and I wanna sprinkle a little bit more salt on top of it. That twine and this trussing of this bird is gonna help to make a prettier bird than normal. Otherwise, the bird would just kind of be splayed all over the place. So I've got my oven preheated to 450 degrees. I'm gonna stick this in the oven for 50 minutes at least, maybe an hour. I'm gonna check it at 50 minutes. And I'm not going to open it, I don't want to disturb it, I'm not going to baste it or anything. I will do a little bit of basting at the end, but I'm not going to disturb it for a solid 50 minutes. So I'm going to have a salad with my roasted chicken. I'm going to make some green goddess dressing. So I got my food processor, I'm going to start with some mayo. Got some buttermilk, some chives, parsley, garlic, tarragon, got a little bit of anchovy, and I'm going to add some lemon juice. I want to taste my dressing. A little bit of salt. Delicious. I've got my trusty dressing jar. You've seen this a couple of times. I'm just gonna chill this until I need it. All right, so my chicken's done. What I'm gonna do is I've got some thyme here, and we've got the juices from the chicken. I'm actually gonna put the thyme in there, and I'm gonna baste this chicken with its own juices. Wow, look at all that juice. Look at that juice. Gosh. All right, everything's ready. I'm ready to get into the tasting. I'm pairing my chicken and green goddess salad with the 2019 Tablas Creek Esprit Blanc de Tablas. The 2019 Tablas Creek Esprit de Tablas Blanc is Tablas Creek's flagship white blend. It's chosen from the top lots of 4 estate-grown varietals propagated from budwood cuttings from the Chateau de Beaucastel estate. The Roussan provides the core richness, minerality, and flavors of honey and spice, while Grenache Blanc adds green apple and anise flavors, a lush mouthfeel, and bright acids. Picpoul Blanc adds pineapple brightness and saline minerality, while Picardin brings elegance. All right. Very fruit forward nose. White fruit. White nectarines, white peaches. There's a little honeysuckle on the nose as well. It's almost, I'm getting some sort of a baked apple thing, almost like baked apple pie. Beautiful nose. Let's give it a taste. So immediately I noticed the mouthfeel is a little creamier than I expected, you know, it would be in a white wine, but a little bit of a mouthfeel, a little bit of a tongue coater. Nice present acidity. More of that peach that I was able to get on the nose. I'm getting it on the palate. So I'm getting a little green apple. It's also, I'm getting a little tropical fruit, like maybe a little bit of like pineapple almost. All right, so let's try the food. I'm gonna taste the salad first. Nice dressing, very herby. Chicken. Wow. Like I said earlier, simplicity sometimes it rules the day. The story of this chicken is less is more. No marinade, again, no brines, no sauces. Simply seasoned, dry chicken creates crispy skin. It's just delicious. It's fantastic. Now let's check the pairing. It likes the chicken. That's really good. Get a little bit more of the salad. Those tomatoes are so sweet. It's almost, it's like having fruit in the salad. The tomatoes, if you close your eyes and didn't know that they were necessarily tomatoes, you'd be wondering what they were because they're so sweet. And the wine likes the dressing. It pairs well with that dressing as well. I gotta double check. I gotta make sure. I can't trust myself on the first one. I gotta make sure. Sweet tomatoes, nice crispy crouton. That's a good pairing. Chicken. Yes. That's good. Wow. Okay, I need to check one more time. I know I said I was going to double check, but I just got to make sure one more time. It's just too good to be true, so I got to make sure, for real. Harmonious. Fantastic pairing. Absolutely. Get this recipe. It's a simple, non-marinated, non-brine, non-sauced chicken. Less is more. Thank you all for taking the time to watch my video today. For those of you that have already subscribed, I appreciate it. If you're new, please take this opportunity to go ahead and subscribe to my channel. I'm regularly dropping videos where I'm sharing my favorite recipes and I pair them with wines. I'm Chef Glenn B, and as always, eat well.